do not tell us that we are corrupt.
I'm not saying you're corrupt. What I'm saying here is, meron pong mga tao dyan sa loob ng inyong organization. I'm not saying you are corrupt. I'm saying there are people there that are not doing their job, or maybe they're involved in corruption. Because if they're not involved, common sense lang po ito, Secretary Galvez. Pag nagsabi ka ikaw ay combatant, di ba combatant meaning, meron kang baril. So kung meron kang baril, isusurrender mo yung kapalit ng 100,000.
I definitely take offense, Senator, that you are already telling us that there is a corruption. I believe that is not a correct accusation to us.
Meron pong corruption dito. Masaktan ka na, masaktan ka, I don't care. I'm talking on behalf of the taong bayan. At saka isa pa, sir, hindi ka ba nabulabog dito? 26,000 surrenderies na bigyan ng 100,000, umabot ng 2.6 billion, and 4,000 lang firearms. Kasi kung ako, sir, mababahala na ako.
Sir, I beg to disagree.